One of the first questions that a client will have for me when they sit down in my office after they're hurt in any type of accident case in New York State or Long Island or New York City, whether it be being injured on a construction site, whether it be being a passenger on a bus that's in a collision, riding their own car or motorcycle, they want to know ultimately, what can I recover? If I'm hurt significantly, what can I recover? And there are different categories of loss. The first category that people think about is, well, if I had any personal property that's damaged or my vehicle was damaged, that's an element of loss. If you lose earnings because of an accident, that's an element of loss. Not only what you lose in past earnings leading up to the trial, but if you're going to be out of work permanently, you're entitled to recoup your earnings going into the future. And what we do is we hire an economist to show, well, what will the value of those earnings be a year from now, 5 years from now, 20 years from now? If you're a young person that's working and you can't work any longer, you might have 10, 20, 30 years worth of wages going into the future that you won't be able to recover. Future medical cost is another element. That's, again, something we use expert witnesses to establish. What will be your medical needs? What will the cost of those needs be? And then, of course, the largest component of many personal injury claims is the category, and it's a little abstract, it's called pain and suffering and loss of enjoyment of life. How has your life changed? What is it like to live now with a disc herniation or a broken bone or a shoulder that needs surgery or a knee that needs surgery? How did your life change? What do you not enjoy anymore? How difficult is it for you to live? It's all these abstract things that really go to the quality of life. Those are all elements, both past pain and suffering and future pain and suffering, that we put together a package and we do our best to present to the insurance company and ultimately to a jury to show why your case has value and why you should be fairly compensated.